There's a lot of buzz on social media about a supposed leaked photo of the Tesla Model 3 refresh. If this is indeed the new Model 3, it's definitely turning heads. Last year, rumors began circulating that Tesla was working on a Model 3 refresh project codenamed Highland. This new project would incorporate Tesla's large casting technology, which has already been successfully implemented in the Model Y. This technology would greatly improve efficiency and reduce costs. But it could temporarily slow down production. In December, a Model 3 prototype with heavy camouflage was spotted in California. And shortly after, another prototype was spotted. Now, a new photo has surfaced on the Tesla subreddit that allegedly shows the new front end of the Model 3 refresh. The new front end features different headlights and no Tesla badge, which gives it a more aggressive look. Some speculate that there might be a curved instrument cluster display on the interior dashboard, but this is unconfirmed. We can't say for sure if this photo is legit, but it's certainly exciting to speculate about what the Model 3 refresh might look like. What do you think? Would you like to see these changes in the new Model 3? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest Tesla news and rumors, don't forget to like and subscribe.